Hello, my name is Richard Sutejo. Today, we would like to discuss about how to prevent a respiratory-based infection and coronavirus in more detail. Before we discuss about this, we should use our common sense. Since the respiratory-based infections, they will spread through usually by airborne or in this case by the droplet. The droplet is usually transmitted approximately 1.8 and 2 meters. Not only that, the droplet will most likely stay on the surface like the table, the floor, the door handles, the toilet, the bag. And we need to remember one of the most common contaminated surface is your handphone. By considering that, it is important for us to know how to prevent those. So, the first tip to prevent is to avoid the direct contact with the person who shows the symptom. For example, coughing, runny nose, sneezing, blocked nose, and fever. If we see such people around us, we should distance at least 2 meters away. And if possible, we should suggest the people to wear the respiratory mask to avoid further infection. Secondly, what we need to do is we need to be very aware of both of our hands, because both of our hands are the primary vector, so that all the respiratory diseases that lands on the surface can come to contact with us. Since respiratory diseases acquire infection through the eyes, nose, and mouth, we need to be aware that both of our hands need to be properly disinfected. So, in order to prevent that, we need to aware that we should not touch our facial area without properly washing our hands first. What we need to do is, ideally, we should wash our hand thoroughly with water and soap for at least 20 seconds. And don't forget to disinfect the tap as well. And then we can scratch or we can do adjustment at our face areas. If the washing basin is not available, what we can do is we use a hand sanitizer, although that is not a very ideal, or use disinfectant wipes. One of the tips for you is that when we use the hand sanitizer, we need to make sure that we do not rub it dry immediately. Same thing with the washing hands, we need to let our hand wet with the sanitizer for at least 20 to 30 seconds so that the active ingredient in the hand sanitizer like alcohol will properly disinfect your hand so that you will be safe when you touch the face area. And then we need to remember one of the most common contamination as well is our nails. Many of us keep our nails long enough so that all of the infectious disease can trap in between the nails. So if we do not need the nails to be long, we should trim it off. And then also, for the areas where we have frequent contact or the surfaces, we need to make sure to disinfect it on the regular basis. The more the better. If you involve any activities that requires you to be on the crowded places like class, hall, conferences, buses, airport, and etc., we need to make sure to keep the distance away from the person by approximately 2 meters. Or worst of the worst, if the place are very crowded and you must have an engagement in those areas, it is advisable that you wear a proper respiratory mask that has been mask fitted to you. So those are all of the advice that I can offer. See you next time.